guys, welcome back. And I've got a couple quick announcements for you. I am having surgery tomorrow, so praise God for that. And I thank you guys for your prayers. Finally getting this done. It's been a lot of red tape with this whole process, but the original date they had me scheduled for surgery is still happening, so that is awesome. A little bit of quick announcement here. No video this weekend because obviously I'm having surgery tomorrow, but next weekend hopefully. But I have been working on a really cool little project for that rare PLAMS kit that I have, and I'll see if I bring it down here. You guys can see it here. Actually, I'll just bring it up here. But in my spare time, I've been working on this. And it's for that rare PLAMS kit that I have. So I've been wanting to build me a nice little pouch for it. And so hopefully here soon I'll be making a video on that. And we'll be also talking about the full armor of God and how to apply that in our life. So, yeah, guys, once again, thank you for your prayers. And tell them Sky Survival sent you. Hey, guys, hope you're having a good rest of your week. And I will see you in the next video. All right, guys, God bless and take care. See you soon. Bye.